It's a great day to be a part of the financial services community because the 20th Annual Conference of African American Financial Professionals is coming soon. Join the American College of Financial Services and your professional peers from diverse backgrounds as we celebrate 20 years of CAAFP August 3rd through 5th at the Sheraton Grand Riverwalk in America's Windy City, Chicago, Illinois. Since its inception, CAAFP has always been about growing a community. In 2026, we want to commemorate this with a focus on building connections across generations. We want to see you there. Get inspired by our star-studded speaker lineup. Expand the reach of your practice with unmatched networking opportunities, or develop the skills to stand out in informative workshop sessions from the top minds in planning. Become a part of this community and register for CAAFP today.